Hey guys, this is Hafiz, and today I'm going to show you guys a problem with the Cascadia trucks, which is very common. As you can see, I have some duct tape right there on the assembly of the wiper blades. This part actually connects to the wiper arms, and mostly it comes off, and you can connect it temporarily with the duct tape, but it don't last for a long time, but it can save your service. So it's very easy to replace. I can show you that, and you need 15 to 20 minutes if you have the right tools. Remove all the bolts from the cover right under the windshield so you can have access to the assembly for the wipers. Remove the wiper arm from there. As you can see, you can just use a screwdriver and pull the pin and it will come off. And then you can remove this in-cab filter cover, two screws, very easy. Once you remove all the bolts, you can pull out this cover. You don't need two people to remove this. You can easily remove one side and then you go to the other side and remove that. And now you have access to the assembly for the wipers. The assembly is connected with the two or three bolts, so you can remove those and pull out the assembly and disconnect the plug, electric plug from it, and also disconnect the windshield washer line from it. All right, so this is what I did just to save the road service or avoid any tickets. I just use the duct tape and put them together, and it worked, but that's not the permanent solution, so I have to replace this wiper blade motor and the whole assembly. So this is how it goes. It goes right in there and hold it, but mostly, as you can see, it's not holding it right now, so it's bad. I had to use a duct tape and keep moving. So it's a whole assembly. I'm gonna try the plier and see if it can give a grip to it. So here's the new motor with the whole assembly, and as you can see, the same. $350. Alright, so it's time to put this motor on, and as you can see, you just have to align it with the hole, existing hole that was there before, and put all the bolts on. The plug is in. All right, so it's time to test the wipers. I'm just going to turn on the wipers, and as you can see, the both wipers they're working, and the windshield washer is also working. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you.